Oh, hey friends, Josh Yeager, Santa Barbara dog walker and fiduciary governance Jedi, out on a walk with my buddy Dodger. Hey Dodger. Hey, uh-oh, got something in his eye. And I thought we'd continue the conversation about the documents that should go into the estate vault. Look at earlier videos on what the heck an estate vault is. We're going to spend a little bit of time thinking about the estate tax pro forma. What is that anyway? Well, my experience has been that there is a huge misunderstanding by almost everybody about how much estate tax is owed and when is it owed. And I think it's a good idea when you're doing a little bit of an estate vault exercise, gathering all the mom and dad's legal and financial documents, putting it all in one place in anticipation of their estate eventually being settled. One of the documents in there should be an estate tax pro forma, which is pretending that mom and dad die today and that we have to settle the estate now. And just asking the question, if mom and dad were to die today, how much estate tax would be owed? And going through that exercise, I've found, has put a lot of old fellas at ease, because they have this inordinate and unreasonable belief that the government's going to take half their assets when they die. And that's just simply not the case. The vast majority of estates don't pay any estate tax. So it's a good idea to go through the exercise, throw grandpa's balance sheet up against the tax schedule, answer a couple of quick questions, and determine whether any estate tax is owed. Now, I think given the uncertainty of what the lifetime exemption is going to be in the end of 2025, you may note the current amount that can pass estate tax free is just over $13 million, and that might sunset. It might go back down to like $7 million in at the end of 2025. So if the estate's kind of in the above $7 million range, but below $14 million, got to do a little bit of math and see, hey, do we have exposure? Maybe we don't have exposure to estate tax now. Maybe we will have exposure to estate tax in 2 years if the exemption amount sunsets. So going through that exercise and doing an analysis for 2024 and 2026 is a good way of just getting it documented that we either don't owe estate tax, or if we do, we know about it ahead of time and we can do some planning, make sure there's liquidity to provide for that, or meet with an advisor that knows how to use the tips and tricks of estate minimization to reduce that liability. So get the estate vault set up and get the estate tax pro forma done to put the old fella at ease that it's not going to be as bad as he thinks. Ciao.